Hi guys, and welcome back to Home with Lace. Today we are getting the house ready for our move. We're gonna start off with just deep cleaning the stairway, and this video was recorded within about 4 days. So first we're gonna start on the stairs, and then we're gonna do some deep cleaning in the kitchen.
The door on the second floor, I regret it all.
So cleaning the stairs was pretty much all I had energy for that day. We did get a little bit of painting done on the upstairs. As you can see, the hallway is still that pink color. We ended up painting it a gray color, and then we were done for the day. And then the next day I got started bright and early in the kitchen.
Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me.
We'd actually been doing really good at keeping the house clean with all the showings we had to do and the upcoming move that we knew that we were doing. But when you have like 5 people in the house and one person or all 5 of you leave at least one thing out, it just kind of makes the house pretty dirty. So we're just cleaning up the kitchen.
All the time, it still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wanna change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah. Still feels right. Still feels right. Still feels right. Saw you, I was gone. Still feels right. Still feels right. Still feels right. Like a ghost. Damn, it's sunny. Should've brought less clothes. I gotta have you one last time. Take it off my mind. One last night for a last goodbye. I gotta have you one last time. One last time. One last night for a last goodbye.
So having the kitchen sink is probably my favorite place in the house to have clean, just to have it with nothing in it and completely sparkling. But it's also one of the areas in the house that always has foot traffic in it, and there's always a dirty dish coming right after it's been washed. So it's just a never-ending cycle. What is your favorite part of the house that you like to have clean?
Be there in 3. Feeling like you play me, then you pause. I was good, I was not enough. Just like you, I hit the bottom hard. Now we're here, we might as well have fun. I Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. To better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm wrong. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times.
So now we are wrapping up the kitchen, just cleaning up the counters a little bit right before we move on to our breakfast nook.
To better times, to better times, to better times. Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Loosen up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe, I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby, I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby, calling it
Hey guys, so today is moving day. We're waiting for the moving trucks to get here. It's about 8 a.m. and yeah, so we're waiting for them. The movers are here. They're stuck in the cul-de-sac.
I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
It took them about 2.5-3 days to pack up the entire house. So here we have all the boxes before they started loading up the semi, and then we were on our way.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and save you. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime.
All our things are packed up, and we are now packed up in the car and driving through St. Louis, and here comes the arch as we head out of town and drive up to Michigan. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.